Hello future millionaires, welcome to Financing channel, and now let's discuss about how to start stock market account in any stock brokerage app so that we can start our stock trading and investing in it. So firstly we'll have to install any stock brokerage app from Google Play Store or Apple Store like Grow, Upstock, etc. After installing it, we have to create our account. For creating our account in India, we need some documents like Aadhaar card, bank account and PAN card, etc. After creating account by completing online documentation process, our account will be open within 24 hours and we can start trading now and investing now. So to become a good investor and trader, firstly we'll have to learn technical analysis for start day trading and swing trading. And for investing we must learn fundamental analysis, and we have to do different online courses of fundamental analysis so that we can become a better